My name is Kasé and I make knives. Craftsmanship is very important to me. The customer, when he holds my knife, he can feel that it's made by passion and by hand. Jawohl. I use tools as old as almost 100 years. I have an old Schaubling machine from 1929. I use a lot of custom engineered diamond abrasives because the steels I use are simply too hard for normal abrasives. One thing that is special for my knives, I grind them wet, meaning there is a flood coolant on the blade at all times when I grind it, and this allows me to grind very thin behind the edge knives that cut exceedingly well, and it also makes sure that the blade does not overheat. When something is Swiss made, it's a benchmark. You can't write Swiss made on something that isn't very precise and very well made. Appreciating craftsmanship that has accompanied us for thousands of years. For me, quality means Swiss made. Einmal. Steht perfekt parallel. Aesthetic meets performance.